goddesses, and welcome back to another video. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how I created today's eye makeup. It is bold and red, perfect for Valentine's Day, perfect for date night, or just because you want to do something that's a little out of the box and out of the ordinary. Before we hop into today's video though, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of the goddess family. I love you guys so much, and let's hop right into it. So this little base primer from MAC really enhances the colors and makes everything just last all day. This is a trick that I actually learned from James Charles a long time ago. That's why I bought it a long time ago, and it really does do the job. It makes your eyes look a little funny at first, depending on your skin tone. And obviously once you put the color on top, everything just looks so much prettier and more vibrant, and again, long lasting, zero creasing, so it's great. I don't like to use this product, however, whenever I'm doing makeup reviews, because not everybody is investing in eyeshadow primers, especially this one, because it is a little bit on the pricier side. So since this is not an eyeshadow review, we are going to be using this primer right here. You just go in with your brush. You just put it all over your lid. You see, it like matches my bake underneath. I know I look crazy. Now we're gonna go in with the Little Mermaid palette. This is the palette that actually inspired me to do this red look because of the red shades in the palette. If you guys want to see the full-on review, test, and swatches with this palette, go ahead and click the video down in the description area and I'll take you right to it. So I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Mermaid first, just because it is the lightest of the red shades. I'm just gonna take an angled fluffy brush and add it.
So we are just adding this all over my lid. I'm actually taking it closer to my upper brow bone. So what I'm doing is I'm putting most of the pigmentation on the lid and then diffusing it by just feathering out the excess product up into that crease brow bone area until I get the result I like.
I'm going to be using a fan brush. So with my fan brush, I'm going to go ahead and dip into the shade Sebastian.
So now what I'm doing is I'm taking that darker shade and I'm just putting it in the actual crease of my eyelid, just to give myself that amplified look and to give a lot of just dimension to this overall look.
So now I'm actually going to go in with a different palette. This is the Turkey Friends palette. I'm going to use the shade called Vegetables, just because it's a nice deep red with a little bit of shimmer in it. So I'm going to go ahead and put that all over my lid. So now for my lower lash line, I'm using the shade Vegetables and the shade Patina because they're very similar, and I'm actually going to just put that right underneath my waterline, only because these have like a nice little glitter to them, and so I feel like it would look really cute and cool in pictures. Now I'm going to go in with this loose color from LA Colors. I used it just once in my unboxing video, the Advent Calendar LA Colors unboxing, and I really like this stuff. I feel like it will just add that little extra glitter effect to the lids of my eyes and make them stand out that much more. So I'm going to go ahead and add this right now. I had quite a bit fall out, and again, this is why I like to put the powder underneath, because all you have to do is just like wipe it away and it goes away like nothing. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. While my face is drying, I'm gonna show you guys the lashes I'm gonna be using. These are from Kiss Cosmetics. These are from the Lash Drip collection. They are so pretty. I'm really excited to wear them. They're supposed to make your eyelashes look like they're wet, and I think that they're just really adorable for this look. Before I forget, this is in the style You Do You. I love that. So now that my face is dry, I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward through the mascara, lashes, and lipstick, and then I'll be right back with the final look. So this is the final look. I love it so much. I feel like it's perfect for Valentine's Day, which is just around the corner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do end up trying this makeup look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. It is at The Life of an Everyday Goddess. You guys can also follow me there if you'd like. I love you guys so much. Until next time.